YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very simple and easy recipe for you guys. Today I'll be sharing with you guys how to make fish broth. These are the ingredients for the fish broth. I have sweet potato. I have two different kinds of sweet potato here. I have header, cassava, carrot, scallion, soup mix, Maggi cube, salt, black pepper. I have some poi or thick leaf. I have corn, and the star of the show, the fish. So let's move on to the next step. So you want to fry your fish, because if you don't fry your fish, it's going to fall apart and then it's going to be rancid also. So you need to fry it. Okay guys, so after 30 minutes my provision is soft. So I'm going to put the fish into the pot. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay guys, so this is the finished product of the fish broth. Please do have a safe and blessed day.